Hello kids, today we will be learning two-letter words with vowel A. There are sounds like long sound, short sound, tricky words, diphthongs, etc. But we will not go deep. Just see the words and learn to read. So we already know there are 26 alphabets, right? And each letter make different sound. So for the phonics sound, please watch my A to Z phonics video. And we have already learned that there are 5 special words in those 26 alphabets. And what are they? A, E, I, O, U. So remember A, E, I, O, U, 5 special words. So today let's pick up our first vowel, that is vowel A, and we will add the consonant to make two-letter words. Let's start. The first letter is A. A says A. B says B. So together A, B, ab. How we will read? Ab, ab. A, D, add, 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 add. A, G, ag, 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 ag. A, m, am, 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 am. A, n, an, 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 an. A, p, apple, app, apple, app. A, s, as, as. While reading, we'll say as. A, t, at, 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 at. A, x, ax, ax, ax. A, b, ab, ab, ab. A, d, add, add, add. A, g, ag, ag, ag. A, m, am, am, am. A, n, an, an, an. A, p, app, app, app. A, s, as, as. A, t, at, at. A, x, ax, x, ax. Now after this, we will learn some special word. So these are special word. That is A, L, L, all. A, L, L, all. A, R, R. A, R, R. A, Y, A. A, Y, A. A, W, O. W, O. So remember and lock it. Why it is special words? Because when we read, suppose A L L, now A says A, L says L. So we are not going to read it as A L L. No. Together we will be reading all. Okay? A R. So R R. No. It is A R R. A Y A. A W O. Okay? Repeat again. A L L all. A R R. A R R. A Y A. A Y A. A W O. A W O. Now in our next lesson we will learn 3-letter words using these 2-letter words. So keep practicing your 2-letter words. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.